If you've tried protein shakes, didn't like them, this is for you. You know that gritty texture? Not in LadyBoss LEAN. I love my sleep, but I love breakfast. So this is it. This gets me out the door in the morning, sets my day off right. I'm telling you, if I don't get my protein in my LadyBoss LEAN in the morning, I will just snack all day. I'm actually gonna show you today how to make a Butterfinger shake. All you need, a few ingredients: almond butter, almond milk, some ice, and then this sugar-free, fat-free Jello. So you're just gonna dump it in. Take a little bit here, take a little bit of this Jello. I take a big scoop of the almond butter because, oh my gosh, who doesn't love almond butter, right? Again, I am all about the guesstimation. So here we go. And then just pop it in the blender. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how good this is. You're gonna love it. So this is LadyBoss LEAN. One of the things that's really amazing to me is they're so convinced you're gonna like it that you can try it without actually making a purchase. So LadyBoss LEAN, limited supply of samples. Click and get yours today.